healing or meditation or any such practices is creating the coherence, alignment. We have to align the mind with body and body with mind. Especially we have to align the body with mind. Which mind? Which is peaceful mind, not restless mind. We don't have to align body with restless mind. Actually, body automatically tries to align with mind. If your mind is restless, your body also feels restless. And body is innocent. Body is so nice, so gentle, so kind. This knows how to live. But this is mind which doesn't know the manner. Mind is like a monkey, Mind is greedy. Mind is unhealthy. That is why body also becomes unhealthy. And there are 8 types of mind, as I had mentioned earlier also. Mind is not only one. Mind has 8 parts. First is I mind. I also a type of mind. And if there is craving in I, so this craving is not the entire mind, only I consciousness. Mind means consciousness. Ear consciousness, nose consciousness, tongue consciousness, body consciousness. So these are the 5. And 6th is mind itself. And what is this mind itself? Means thinking, visualizing, planning. Your eyes don't plan, right? Your nose doesn't plan. Your ears don't plan. What plans what, craves. At 6th means what you call the thoughts, ideas, belief systems is mental content, mind. Means 6th is mind, right? Mind itself, psychic, what you call thinking mind. And 7th is individual mind. Means that thinking mind also thinks for that mind. What you call meta mind, meta awareness. This is what we are studying these days. Meta consciousness or subconsciousness or subconscious mind. Conscious mind, subconscious mind. So conscious mind works for subconscious mind actually, where there are desires, greeds. Because you are working for your desire, right? Everyone works for desire. We don't have desire, then you will also work, but you work not like a greedy, not like restless. So these are the mechanism. What I mean is that mind creates everything. And the 8th mind is called cosmic mind, cosmic consciousness, which keeps record of everything, which has secrets of everything, which has mysteries of everything. What is happening now in different parts of the universe, that cosmic mind knows everything very well. And when a yogi becomes one, not partly but completely, then that yogi also becomes omnipresent, omniscient, omnipotent. As that mind is, that cosmic consciousness or divine consciousness is actually the omnipresent, omniscient, omnipotent. When we become one with that, then we also become same omnipresent, omniscient, omnipotent. What your mind is thinking, if I am one with that, then I can clearly see that what your mind is thinking, right? Mind reading, especially the subconscious reading of mind. And remote viewing. What is remote viewing? What is happening at the moon? What is happening in different lokas? We can clearly see. This is what fully enlightened mind becomes. And how that happens? When we have coherence, utmost concentration. Coherence means concentration. One-pointedness, ekagrata, concentration. And with concentration, we become one, and then that with concentration we can see everything. We can see our past lives. We can see not only our past life, but anyone's past lives also. Anyone. This is what Buddha had power. Not only he, but his many disciples had these powers to see the past lives of anybody. Not only himself, but anyone's. Not only 100 past lives back, but maybe millions, trillions of past lives back. Buddha had that power. And some of his disciples had also that power. And how that happens? Through concentration. We have utmost concentration. attention network. When your attention network becomes myelinated, so stronger, myelinated. And how you myelinate? The more you practice, the more myelin is released, and that network becomes stronger. So practice makes any network stronger.